welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned. So today I'll be making an antioxidant smoothie. So I'm just going to show you the fruits that I'll be using. So there I have strawberries, I have some raspberry, and I also have some blueberries that I'll be adding to my smoothie. All these fruits are very rich in antioxidant, guys. So that's my blueberries. I'm also gonna add some honey. I'm also gonna add some chia seed. You can use flaxseed if you like. And I'm also gonna add some honey because honey is rich in antioxidant as well, guys. And I'm also going to use some oat milk. I really love oat milk. You can use any non-dairy milk. That's okay. So here I have my chia seed. You can also use your flaxseed, whichever one that you want to use. So I'm just going to use 2 tablespoons of that. And I'm also going to add some water into my bowl and just set it aside until I'm ready to use it. So now I'm going to prepare my fruits, guys. So I have my strawberry there. I'm just going to remove the top from it. So I'm just going to use 4 strawberries. So if you want to make more smoothie, I'm just making a glass. So if you want to make more, you're going to double what I'm using. So what I normally do, I normally place them into a container and then I'll use warm water to wash my fruits. Because you know what I'm saying? Eat kill germs or anything that's on it. So we're gonna wash it. So guys, I'm just gonna tell you a little bit about the fruits that I'll be using. So I have strawberry. So what strawberry is really good, guys. It protects your heart. It's packed with vitamin, high level of antioxidants, also sodium free. I have my raspberry, can help prevent stroke and heart disease. They also contain minerals. Blueberries, I would say it's the king of antioxidant food. Protects your body from free radicals. And the honey that I'll be using, honey is very rich in antioxidants as well, guys. And I'm going to use my chia seed, which is also rich in antioxidants as well. It's not only just rich in nutrients, it's really rich in antioxidants, guys, and it's also rich in fiber. So all these are very, very good for us and full of antioxidants. As I go along, I'm just gonna add all my fruits in. So I'm just gonna add a little more blueberries. As I said before, they're much smaller, so I can add more to my blender. So I'm just going to use my warm water to just rinse my fruits off before I prepare them. So here I have my cutting board. I'm just gonna give my strawberry a few slices to make it smaller, just to fit into my smoothie machine. And guys, make sure you watch my video until the end and remember to watch the ads. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video. So then I'm just adding my fruits in. So it doesn't matter how you add them. You can just pour your strawberry in, your blueberries, whatever. If everything get all at once, you just pour everything in. But I like to just go add my strawberry, then my raspberry, but you don't have to do that. So what we're going to do, guys, we're going to just add everything, blend it until it's smooth. So with my chia seed, I just had it everything in along with the water as well. So guys, I'll have this for my breakfast, I'll have that for lunch, and maybe sometime dinner, because it's really good for us guys, and it's very, very delicious. Look at all that goodness, guys. So we're all finished. Look at that. Look at all that goodness. Yummy. Look at that. That is very rich and nice. Beautiful. You all should try this recipe, guys. It's delicious. Look at all that goodness, guys. Guys, if you reach this far in the video, here's a phone card. Enjoy. Until next time. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you like to see I prepare next. Don't forget to hit that good old notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to be notified when I upload another video. Bye for now.